What's up, everyone? So I came out here yesterday with my one buddy and we busted through the hard stuff. He was supposed to meet me here today, but something came up, I guess, so I'm going to be here by myself, and I'm going to try to bust into the layer towards where the hammer's sitting in that direction, because I think there's bottles under there somewhere. So I'll go ahead and get started, and I will let you know if I find anything. Bottle of the day. Slick blown pharmacy with no embossing. Would have had a paper label. What's up, everyone? Trying to do a little bit of creek walking here. I do see a jar. Hopefully it's something other than a ball perfect mason or an atlas. That's broken. Look at that. Oh, is it a wax seal actually? Oh, but I think it's the top's busted off completely. It looks too small. Still scratch it out, I guess. No, it is there. Just looked like it wasn't. All standard. Okay, well, I'll take it. It's nice, fine. We got a couple things showing up here. A beer and a soda. The soda's embossed. Let's see what the beer is. It's a broken piece of junk. Top's gone. I think it's a slick anyway. Yeah. My little soda here. Oh, it's broken too. I wonder if I left it there. For a while I was leaving some things, but at this point I feel like it's best just to put them somewhere down lower so I don't climb up and waste my time getting to them. What about this thing? Is that a bottle? I don't know what this metal thing here is, but it'll work for getting some stuff out. It's broke too. There's a lot broken. What's this one? That's an odd round bottom thing. Guess I've seen anything quite like it that size. Let's see if this wire will get anything. It's this B&B bottling busted. Base. There's nothing. Try to get all these broken things that keep seeing outside, because I don't want to have to keep pulling them out every time I come here. Oh, this one, that might be all there. I kind of thought put my stopper somewhere, but maybe not. Okay, I've been working on these two bottles. I'm sorry I'm talking quiet, but I'm on a riverbank and there's a ton of people on top, so I don't really want to draw attention to myself. Just looking, I saw this. I don't know what this is, but it looks like a coin or token, and it's embossed. Just a token. Says something. Oh yeah. Okay, I'll show you more when I get it cleaned up. Try to get these 2 bottles in there out. In case they're good. This one looks like a junky condom up thing. Yeah. Alright. Let's see it. He's a water snake. There. There's a baby water snake. Haven't found one of these in a while. There's a great way to observe one of these guys. Alright, I'm almost done with this creek walk. It's a good thing because I'm dehydrated, I think. Really hot and humid out, but I do see a milk, and that has me excited because it looks kind of early. So let's see what it is, shall we? Alright, it looks like it's whole and it's embossed. Alright, it's something I don't think I've seen. Whoa, about fell. Oh, I think it's a good one. I think it's a Commons from Richmond. If so, that would be awesome because I've never found one. I mean, I know Richmond bottles aren't going for much, even the scarcer ones, unless they're pre-1880, but it'd still be a nice find. Just don't see them around. Alright, I'm going to try going into this deeper water here, actually, even if I do get sunburned, because this is a good find. Alright, Commons Dairy Company. It's an early one. Oh, it's got a chip, dang it. But it's still a really early one. I'm still going to keep it anyway, because that's the only one I found. Alright, look at that. It's all cleaned up and it looks pretty good. It has bubbles in the glass, so it'd probably turn purple. It's a really early machine-made milk. Probably would have had a tin top. But yeah, let's look at that embossing. That has some unusual embossing for a milk. Just looks really different somehow. Cruder, I guess. Yeah, lip's messed up, but it's still an early milk. That's really hard to find. Okay, I see what I think might be a crock. So let's see here. Alright. I just gotta find something to dig it out with, which might be this thing here. Of course, it looks kind of weak, but let's find out. There we go. Oh, looky there. I see a handle. Oh, there's a top. Could actually be whole. Get this root out of my way. Yeah, think there's a good chance of it being whole. Okay. This thing here looks stronger than the other thing I was using. But it's still kind of weak. Okay, there's the base. Yeah, just need something metal. Yeah, I left my screwdriver thing at a different dump. I messed up. But, oh well, I guess it happens. This clam thing might work good. Muscle. This white thing here. Don't know. Yeah, I think there's a good chance that it's whole. Just gotta figure out a way to dig it out without any good digging tools. While looking for something to pry the crock out of the ground, I looked and I saw something here. I'm curious of what this is. What is this? Oh, wow. Sorry, I got so excited that I flipped that away from the camera. What is this? This can't be that old, can it? This can't be 1819. Okay, I'm gonna have to post this one because if that is truly this old, then that will be the oldest coin I have ever found. I'll have to really, I'm just so excited I can't even speak. 1819. That is crazy. Alright, I think I'm gonna try, because I scratched around the handle, so either it's gonna break or it's gonna come out whole. It is. Top's all there, and the bottom's all there. Alright. Nice. Wow. Well, today's a pretty good day, actually. I can't believe how good it's turned out. I guess those past few rains have really exposed some things. Alright, so here it is. It's got a chip and it's got a crack there, but it's still a complete jug. It looks like it might be a 2-gallon size. If so, that'd be crazy. At first glance, I thought this was probably a junky milk glass jar thing, but after looking, it looks like it might be something actually. Consolidated perfume, Chicago, Illinois. It says peach on it. That's really cool. I think I'll take it, even if it is. Is that chip? Yeah, I think so, but I've never seen one of these before. You don't see no slug-plated milk glass jars hardly at all. So that's a keeper. Alright, so here's the finds all cleaned up for you. There's the crock jug, and yeah, it does have some condition issues, but I think that might be a 2-gallon, but I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it just looks like it is, but it isn't. I don't know. Either way, it's an older style one, because it's not that common two-tone style one. I mean, this style is still fairly common, but less so than them two-tone ones that are shaped differently. I don't know if this one has a different name. Maybe it's an... I don't know if this one's what they refer to as an ovioid or a beehive type jug, but it's still cool. Then I got this ball jar here. It's a wax seal, has a Z on the base. It's chipped, but still a nice jar, cleaned up really nice. Triple L. I don't know if they're all like that or not, but yeah, there it is for you. And this milk's really cool. I mean, you could see the lip damage there. It's rough, but it's a dairy bottle I've never found before. Commons Dairy Company. Machine made. 1 pint. Yeah, I mean, that's what I saw on the ground there. Just the 1 pint. And I saw that shaped a little bit different than most of those milks are. So that has to be early, right? But then this one here is pretty neat. Consolidated Perfume Company, Chicago, Illinois. That's a shame on that crack, but oh well, it's still worth keeping because I think I might have found one other Chicago perfumer, but it wasn't this one, because that one I'm pretty sure actually had an address on it. Then there's this Excelsior shoe something, and I dropped it. July 1910. Has a horse on it. I'll have to clean it up a little bit more. So I guess I incorrectly presented these bottles as, or this video I should say, as a cleanup for this section, but it's actually a cleanup for the bottles only. Coins, I'm not sure on how to get them 100% clean. Anyway, here's this one. George something. Rex something. 1819. Okay, so I'm beginning to think that this is some type of token or something. If it's not, then it has to be a foreign coin. I've never heard of this coin as a US coin, or, well, I wouldn't think it as being one anyway. But I mean, it's still cool. But yeah, if something happened in 1819, then maybe this could be one of those 100-year-old coins, like those quarters that say 1776 and 1976, something like that. I guess this could be the same thing. Anyway, here's the back. Kind of looks funny, but it's got a bunch of dirt on it that needs cleaned off still. After that happens, it might be more readable. So yeah, I'm gonna post these on Daniel's Digs real fast, but by the time it gets posted, I will be out of Middletown. So, well, when I say posted, I don't mean these particular things here on Daniel's Digs. I'm talking about the YouTube video. So, yeah, by the time it gets posted, this YouTube video, I don't even know if I will have access to these because where I'll be living will have less room than where I'm at now, I'm thinking, but I'm not positive. So I just gotta find out what I'm working with and figure it all out first before I can deal with that type of stuff. But I guess that's all. Later. So my one buddy invited me to dig with him, and since he was already going over there, I figured, well, why not meet him over there, because I'm going to be moving, so I don't have the opportunity to dig this area or with him anymore for a while. So anyway, here's what I got. Versus little Carter's ink. Clean up real nice. I got a Bixby shoe polish and clear. Ellie's cream balm. Owego, New York. Guitar and hay fever. A nice little pumpkin seed flask. Don't think I've ever seen one with the ridges right there. I thought this was a condiment, but it says the Universal Remedies Company, J.G. Colmager, Toledo, Ohio. So if it says remedies, a remedy, then that makes me think it's actually some kind of druggist. Never seen this bottle. And lastly, there's this. Now, I'm not positive, but I'm thinking this could be a bottle from my town I collect, Middletown. So when I saw the SB, I thought, okay, it's SB&G Company, Steel Bottling and Glass Company, but wait a second, there's no NG in this, so it's just SB. So now I'm thinking it actually is a Seabolt Brewing Company out of Middletown. Now I'm not positive, but I figured I'd better keep it to be on the safe side. But if any of you know that it's not that, feel free to let me know. Usually manufacturer marks are on the base because it already has manufacturer marks on the base. See, CBG Company. So if it already has manufacturer marks here, why would they put manufacturer marks there? So I'm thinking this has to be the initials of the brewery, which just so happens to be the same initials of a brewery bottle that he found, which is from Middletown, Seabolt Brewing Company. So I'm thinking that's what this is. So if that is what it is, then I'm definitely keeping it in my collection. But for now, I'm going to hang on to it and do some research and try to find out more about it. But if not, then I'll still keep it. So that is it.